Hello everyone, today I wanted to do a quick review on the LaColors glitter palette. You can find these at the Dollar General for $2.50 each. There are 4 shades to choose from at Dollar General. It ranges from your blue palette here, which is called Mysterious, to a neon palette. I grabbed this product on a whim to try. I was hoping that it would be different than all these glitters we buy that are just literally a layer of glitter placed on top of petroleum jelly, basically. So unfortunately, that is what this palette is. I don't really recommend this product unless you plan on using it some other way, maybe just taking the top layer of glitter off and using it with a lash glue or a glitter glue for your eyes. Then yes, by all means. If you plan on using this by itself on its own with it in the petroleum jelly here, it's literally going to crease so badly on you. It gave me a little bit of blue glitter on the lower lash line, which is very pretty, but almost right away it broke down the eyeshadow that I placed it over top of, creased into the wrinkles underneath my eyes. Yeah. Well, anyways, so I cleared it off here, and you can definitely see that that is just it's just glitter overlaid over a jelly product there. That's all it is. The glitter goes no further than the top, and what's mixed in there that you can see is just from where I was using it, basically. But I think this product would definitely work better if you were going to use it with a glue. And, you know, it will transfer on your finger a bit there. It has a beautiful iridescent shade here, beautiful navy sapphire glitter here, a holographic silver, and a holographic teal. Very beautiful. If you're going to use these with glue, I recommend this palette. Using it on its own, no. The wear is not there. It creases, it settles in all your fine lines. Other than that, it's not a great product, and it is exactly what I thought it was going to be. And I feel that I did waste $2.50 to try this out. I'm going to keep it in the collection, and I'm going to try it with the glue. But overall, these are absolutely stunning glitters. But the wear killed it. So I wanted to give you guys a little insight on this product. Share with you my thoughts on it and experience. Hope you found it helpful. Definitely let me know in the comments section below. If you have any other comments or questions about the product, leave them below as well. Thank you always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and always check the description box for additional links.